Guys, just want to give you a quick update on the Evolving Skies singles market, what you guys should look to buy now, and what you guys should be on the lookout for as far as price drops in the future. So guys, if we look here on TCG Player, we've still got 4 cards from Evolving Skies that are over $100. We've got 2 that are over $200. You guys have to remember, we're seeing a lot of supply constraints coming from distributors. A lot of places are still waiting on ETBs to be delivered. We're starting to see 3-pack blisters, sleeved boosters, and the EV10s come to retail. That's going to introduce new sealed product to the market. That's going to enable people to open up more of this product, and we're likely going to see more of these cards pop up on the singles market. So this Rayquaza VMAX, currently listed at $245 with a recent sale of $246. I think we're going to continue to see this card's value decrease, especially with new product being opened up in Wave 1. I think this card is going to sit eventually under $200. I do think this card is going to rebound. We'll talk more about that later on in the video. Same thing with the Umbreon VMAX, currently listed at $250 on TCG Player. I also think that this card is going to decrease. I think we'll see this card maybe hit the $200 mark. Still, for me, not a buy at this moment. I think we need to be a little more patient with this card. This Rayquaza V started strong at about $140 coming out of the gates for pre-release, and that held strong for a couple days. Currently sitting at $110 with a recent sale before that at $95. I think this card has room to drop as well. If you look at a comparable card, probably from Battle Styles, is going to be the Tyranitar V Full Art. That card's currently sitting at about $85. So I think this is going to drop in similar fashion to that card. Now guys, here are some shocking prices I think are really low and I think would be really good pickups for you to add to your collection. We've got Rainbow Zinnia's Resolve. That card recently sold for right under $18, which I think is a very good pickup for you guys. The Glaceon V Full Art, recent sale of $14. That would definitely be a good buy. Any Evolutions Full Art under $15 is going to be a good purchase for your collection. Now looking at several other Rainbow trainers, we've got the Rayhan Rainbow, we've got the Aroma Lady, and we've got the Copycat Rainbow. Anything under $15 for these, especially right around the $10 mark like we see with the Copycat, would be a great purchase for you guys right now. I don't think there's a whole lot more room for these to drop. And then you've got rainbow cards like the Garbodor VMAX and the Lycanroc VMAX. Now these cards are a little bit different. With such a strong set, these cards aren't going to be as valued as those Evolutions or those Rayquazas or the Dragonite. But if you've been trying to purchase singles recently for sets like Vivid Voltage, it's difficult to find a rainbow card for under $20. Maybe you can find it for under $18, closer to $15. But I think at this $12 mark and anything $10 and under, instant purchase for me to add to my collection. Now guys, moving on to gold cards, I'm seeing a lot of sales for gold cards under $10. And I think gold under $10 is always a good pickup. I don't think you can go wrong from a collection standpoint or an investment standpoint to get gold cards for under $10 in the market. I don't think that there's a whole lot more room for these to drop, and I'll go and show you. So Turffield Stadium, $9 for a most recent sale. Full Face Guard, $9.45. Boost Shake at $8.87. And then you've got Toy Catcher for a $6 sale on TCG Player. If you guys can score deals that low, 100% get these cards to add to your collection. These are great prices for gold cards. And then for the finale, Gordy at $9.97. Currently listed in Lightly Played. Not really sure how you get a Lightly Played this early on. Probably just how it came out of the pack. But you can likely find this card for under $8. A Rainbow Gordy would be a premium pickup. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on some of these market prices. Give you some advice on what you should purchase now. I do think some of these higher ticket cards have room to drop. Especially when some of these ETBs and some of these other sealed products come into the market. More people are going to be able to open these up. As far as sealed investment goes, if you're able to find a booster box for $140 or below right now, I think it would be a good time to purchase. Even to open, you still have singles values that are really high. You have a good opportunity to pull some really nice cards. If you guys go check out my last live stream, I opened up 2 booster boxes and they were absolutely incredible. But also from an investment standpoint, if you can purchase for under $140, you're still getting in at under MSRP. But I think that gap from Wave 1 ending and us waiting on Wave 2, we're going to see a demand in sealed product especially. I think this booster box, while we're waiting on Wave 2, could see $175 to $200. It's currently sitting at $160 for most sales on third party like eBay, but I think right now is a good opportunity to buy when Wave 2 comes out. It just depends on how much product distributors are getting and how much we're going to see out in the wild for people to open. But I don't know if we're going to see Evolving Skies Wave 2 at that $115, even $105 like Chilling Reign we saw for pre-orders for Wave 2. I don't think we're going to see that price. I think it's going to sit more around $120, $125, maybe even $130 for Wave 2 pre-orders, in my opinion. It just depends on how much these distributors are going to be allocating to different stores. I know a lot of you guys are on a holiday. Happy 3-day weekend if you got one. But thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next one. If this video helped you out, make sure to click the like button. If you want to see more of my content, click the subscribe button down below. And come visit me on Instagram. I'd love to talk market values with you. Maybe see some of your collection, maybe do a couple trades if you guys are down. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. See you next time.